Hi everyone. Welcome to this LincStation tutorial. In this video, we'll quickly show you how to create a shared account in LincOS. First, open the LincStation client and go to My Device. Then find and click Shared Account Management. Click the plus icon in the top right corner. Now enter the account name and password for the new shared account. After that, confirm the setup and the shared account will be created. Go back to the Manage Shared Accounts page. Here, you can check all the shared accounts you have created and view their account status. Please note that LincOS supports up to 9 shared accounts. To share a file or folder, open its permission settings and grant access to the selected shared account. Shared accounts are read-only, so they can view the files, but cannot edit or delete them.